The shifting link. Bitcoin's evolving relationship with the Nasdaq. Hello and welcome, traders. For years, a strong correlation has tethered Bitcoin to the Nasdaq, cementing its role as a barometer for global risk appetite. But recent market action reveals a crucial shift in this relationship. Understanding this new asymmetric dynamic is key to navigating both the crypto and equity landscapes. What is the current state of the correlation? Historically, Bitcoin and the Nasdaq moved in lockstep, a connection forged by institutional adoption post-2020. However, this link is now evolving into an asymmetric one. As of late November 2025, Bitcoin is demonstrating a new independence. It reacts swiftly to Nasdaq sell-offs, but has begun to ignore Wall Street's rallies. This suggests Bitcoin is maturing beyond a simple risk-on proxy and is being driven by its own unique market drivers. The anatomy of an asymmetric correlation. This new dynamic creates a one-sided relationship. Fear is contagious, but optimism is not. When fear grips traditional markets, investors liquidate risk assets across the board, pulling Bitcoin down with the Nasdaq. However, during market rallies, the capital flow into Bitcoin is no longer automatic. Its price is increasingly influenced by crypto-specific factors like institutional adoption and its emerging narrative as a potential hedge against economic uncertainty, allowing it to rally even when stocks are stagnant. Trading implications and portfolio risk for traders. This asymmetry is critical. It means that using the Nasdaq as a sole leading indicator for Bitcoin is a flawed strategy. A rising Nasdaq does not guarantee a rising Bitcoin, but a falling Nasdaq remains a serious warning sign for crypto holders. From a portfolio perspective, this changes Bitcoin's diversification promise. While it may offer uncorrelated upside, its persistent downside correlation during market stress means it can amplify portfolio losses rather than hedge them, a vital risk consideration. In conclusion, Bitcoin is charting a new course. It's transitioning from a simple tech stock satellite to a more complex hybrid asset. The key for traders is to monitor the Nasdaq for danger, but look to crypto's internal metrics for opportunity. For the tools to track these evolving relationships, explore the resources on the FXCM platform. Thank you for watching.